Pinduoduo is such a great app that you don't actually need any other app to actually start importation. A lot of people right now, like, they are trying to learn importation, and most of you have actually heard about like 1688 or Alibaba, because those are actually the most popular apps out there that most foreigners use. And I will tell you that if you actually want to learn importation now, you don't actually need 1688. In fact, don't even come across 1688, like don't use 1688 at all. Yes, because they are actually good apps right there that you can actually use, and one of them is Pinduoduo. I'll tell you that Pinduoduo is actually the best Chinese app right there. Like, currently Pinduoduo is actually the best Chinese app right there, guys. Like, Pinduoduo is such a good app. Like, when you even use this app, you will actually enjoy it. Like, you don't have to stress about anything. Like, most things people actually stressed about on 1688, you don't actually have to stress about it if you actually use Pinduoduo. Yes, you don't actually have to stress about it. Like, suppliers, all this, like, you don't, it's just a lot. Like, when you use 1688 now, there are a lot of things that you have to watch out for, look out for. Like, in fact, let's just say you have 4 things you actually look at if you want to actually buy from a supplier on 1688. Let's say like the supplier actually have 3, but it's missing 1. You won't actually buy from the supplier because you actually look for 4 things. But on Pinduoduo, you don't actually need all those rules. Like, you don't need any rules at all. You can just search for what you want to buy, just click on one supplier, and you can actually order from it. That's how simple and easy Pinduoduo is. Like, you don't have to stress, at all on anything. So let me tell you more about Pinduoduo so that you can know how beautiful this app is. So Pinduoduo is just like a Chinese app of 1688, Alibaba, and the likes, Taobao and everything. But why Pinduoduo actually stand out? Pinduoduo stand out because, like, I have a friend that actually went to China around December last year, and then she got back around January. And when she got back, we were talking, and one thing she actually talked about is that most people here use Pinduoduo. I was like, what do you mean by most people use Pinduoduo? She told me that most people she actually encountered in Guangzhou, because she actually went to Guangzhou. She said that most people she actually meet and talk to in Guangzhou, most of them have Pinduoduo on their app, and she can actually see a lot of people with 1688. And when she actually talked to someone, like when she talked to some people, most of them told them that they actually use Pinduoduo and not 1688, they use Pinduoduo. And I was just thinking, I was like, well, this actually makes sense now, because if you have bought something on Pinduoduo before, or you don't actually know about Pinduoduo, most products on Pinduoduo actually have reviews. Like, what did I mean by reviews? They have picture reviews. So let's say, for example, now let's say you are looking for a wristwatch on 1688. You might actually come across a lot of suppliers that sells that wristwatch. But one thing is that if you click on, let's say, 10 or 15 of these suppliers, you can only see, like, let's just say 2 reviews, 1 reviews. Sometimes you won't even see reviews. It's not even sometimes, most of the time you won't even see reviews. But if you actually look for that product on Pinduoduo, you will see just one supplier, you will see like over 500 reviews. And when you click on the reviews, you will see pictures reviews, like pictures review, people that actually bought this thing and actually use it, then post pictures review. You will actually see it on Pinduoduo. So even just that is just enough for you to just switch app completely and start using Pinduoduo. Even just that, because now you will actually see a picture of what you actually want to order. You will see everything and not just supplier words, because if you actually want to buy on 1688 or everything, even after you checked everything, you will still have to believe the supplier words. Be like, well, I believe the supplier will actually send the right thing because I've actually checked everything I need to check. But one thing is that the supplier can still scam you. Yes, with everything, the supplier can still scam you. But on Pinduoduo, this kind of things rarely happen. In fact, it doesn't happen. Yes, it doesn't happen, because you will actually get the right thing that you ordered for, and you actually see the picture. You will see everything before you actually like place an order for it. So instead of you on 1688 now, instead of you like telling the supplier to send you live pictures, everything, you don't actually need to text the supplier at all. Like, most of the product I've actually helped people to buy on Pinduoduo, I actually don't message the supplier. Like, I don't message them at all, because everything I actually need to know about the product is on the app right there. Like, The pictures review is there, the reviews are there, everything. And also one thing is just that if you are someone like me that buy a lot from all these Chinese app, because I'm a procurement agent, so of course I buy a lot of product there, you will notice one pattern, which is 1688 suppliers, most of them actually buys review. And what did I mean by this? So sometimes you might come across some product that you actually want to buy, and then you will see that product has, like, let's just say 20 or 30 reviews. And when you click on the reviews, you will just notice that 20 people out of that 30 reviews are actually saying the same thing. Let's just say they are saying, this is beautiful, this is beautiful, this is beautiful. So they are actually saying the same thing. And this kind of patterns actually shows you that this is a bought comment, which means like the supplier actually paid, let's just say, third-party company to actually buy review to that product. So all these kind of things are not genuine. Like, all these kind of things are not genuine. So to actually find a genuine supplier on 1688, you actually do a lot of work. I'm not saying they are not genuine supplier. In fact, I sell a product online, and my product, I mean my personal product that I actually sell online, my suppliers is actually on 1688. Yes, my supplier is on 1688. So I don't mean you won't find genuine supplier, but there are just a lot of headaches before you can actually get the right supplier on 1688. And I will tell you that you don't actually have to go through all that. Yes, you don't actually have to go through all that, because if you want to learn importation now, you can just start from the easiest way, and I would say the right way, which means by using Pinduoduo. Yes, because if you actually use Pinduoduo, you won't get scammed. You won't even get scammed at all. This scam is one of the things that is actually common in importation business, because most people or most beginners actually get scammed from suppliers. But if you actually use Pinduoduo, you will eliminate that. Like, you won't even have to like stress yourself about looking for the right suppliers, all these kind of things. Like, you won't have to stress about any rules at all. Like, you actually buy from a genuine supplier, and you actually see pictures of what you actually want to buy from Pinduoduo. And also, one thing I also love so much about Pinduoduo is that their refund policy is just so swift. Like, it's so fast. For example, now let's say you apply for a refund on 1688, you might actually get the refund, let's just say 20 minutes, in fact 15 minutes. I don't want to actually paint 1688 bad in this video. I don't want to paint 1688 bad. That's not what I'm trying to do. What I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to tell you that there is a better app out there that is actually better than 1688, that 1688 can actually not compare with. So let's say you apply for a refund now, you might get the refund back in like 15 minutes or 10 minutes or 30 minutes. It just depend on how long the process have gone. In fact, some refund can actually take like 2 weeks. Like I said, it depends on how long the process have gone. Let's just say the product have actually got to your warehouse, so before they return the product, confirm and everything. So all those kind of things will take a lot of time. So I don't want to paint 1688 bad, like I'm saying. But on Pinduoduo, one thing is that if you apply for a refund now, you will actually get your money immediately, unless if your product have actually get to your warehouse, then you will actually tell your warehouse to actually send it back. Then that might actually take a lot of time. But if your product haven't get to your warehouse, like the supplier haven't sent out the product, you will get your refund immediately. Only just that you should have actually know that this is actually a good app right here, because like there are just a lot of things out there that you actually enjoy using Pinduoduo. And all these gaming chairs, all these blenders, you can actually get a quite legit one on Pinduoduo. Like I said, most Chinese household, guys, like most Chinese household, most of them, if they want to order online, they actually use Pinduoduo. Yes, they actually use Pinduoduo. And also, one thing you should also know is that most people actually learn about 1688 by telling you that it is actually cheap. 1688 is the cheapest app and everything. I will tell you that is a lie. Yes, it's a lie. You see, any product from China is actually cheap. Yes, any product from China is actually cheap. Pinduoduo is cheap, 1688 is cheap, Alibaba is cheap, Taobao is cheap, every app right there is cheap. So I have come across some products that are actually expensive on Pinduoduo and they are cheaper on 1688, and vice versa, guys. Like, I have come across products on Pinduoduo that are very cheap and very expensive on 1688. So these kind of things can also happen. So don't just think that every product is actually cheaper on 1688. That is a lie. Products are cheap on Pinduoduo, products are cheap on 1688. So some products are actually expensive on Pinduoduo, some products are actually expensive on 1688. So all these things are just research. Like, if you do a lot of research, you will know about all these things. Just for an example now, it is not every product that you import from China that are actually profitable. Yes, it is not every product that you import from China that are profitable. Some products are actually not profitable at all. So it just depends on how well you are informed and how good you are with your research. So that's just it. Yes, guys. So if you are a beginner, this is the video for you right here, that you should actually start your importation journey with Pinduoduo and not any other app right there, guys. So if you are still watching till now, make sure you like and subscribe, and thank you for the support, and I hope to see you in the next one.